Welcome back to the Knox Prestige Training Academy. Today we're going to be talking about product number 2, wheel cleaner. Now this is a non-acid wheel cleaner and we're going to be talking about the use cases, the surfaces it can be used on, and then we're going to jump into a little demonstration. So when it comes to use cases, I use this on extremely dirty wheels that are heavily covered in brake dust, in road grime, in overspray from tire shine, all of those things. It's going to do a great job at helping to break that down safely. Now, whenever we say surfaces, we're talking about the different areas you can spray it. And that is the wheel, the rubber tire, and then your wheel well, whether that's carpeted or plastic. You can use it all over up in there. Now that's where I keep it. I never use it anywhere else outside of the wheel, wheel well, tire, and of course the wheel barrel part of the wheel there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the demonstration. So first, I like to make sure that the wheel, tire, and wheel well are all rinsed off thoroughly. Now, once it's rinsed off thoroughly, we're gonna take product number 2, wheel cleaner, and there's a few ways we can use this. We can spray it directly onto the wheel, or we can spray it into something like a detail brush. So we're gonna start by spraying it directly onto the wheel. I like to have it on the mist setting. Get a little bit of a full coverage there, get up in the barrel, and then I like to get in the wheel well as well. Now, you can scrub this down with a brush, like so. Get the tires clean. Get up in your wheel well, scrub it down. You can also go with a microfiber and wipe this product down. Now, when you're using a detail brush with this, say something like your brake caliper here, you can spray it directly into your brush, and it's going to give a nice foaming action as you agitate there to help break down any brake dust that's on the vehicle. Now, when you're done using product number 2, wheel cleaner, you want to make sure you get it thoroughly rinsed, okay? And you don't want to use this product in direct sunlight if you can help it. If you do have to use it in direct sunlight, do not let it dry, keep it wet, because you can have chemical burning, especially on those matte black, satin black, and even gloss black wheels. So let's go ahead and get this rinsed down, and then we just repeat the process on all the wheels, and that's how you use product number 2. I want to thank you for coming along to talk about product number 2, the use cases, the surfaces, and then a little demonstration. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. And remember, always try to use this product out of sunlight if you can. If you have to use it in direct sunlight, make sure you're keeping that wheel wet and that you get it rinsed thoroughly afterwards. Till next time, thanks for being part of the Knox Prestige team.